This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and a whole bunch of you either just received or are about to receive your new Covert Companion Kit. There are a lot of parts to put together before it can look like this, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you my recommended assembly method and to give you a few tips on usage. But before I start, if my inbox is any indication, there were a lot of you disappointed by an out-of-stock sign. For all those people, we anticipate to be stocked with even greater quantities of most products sold on covertinstruments.com, including the Covert Companion, sometime the week after Thanksgiving. More on that as the date approaches. So, on to assembly. The kit comes with all of these parts. I don't have a kit all nicely packaged because they all went out to you, but the parts are the same. Now, whether you assemble this with just the included tools or you add other tools or keys of your own choosing, the thing to remember while assembling is that some tools can't be directly across from each other. That's why we have spacers to make them nest side by side. But to make this easy, if you are just using the included tools, this is my recommendation for assembly. Let's start with this side of the handle and get two of the extension pieces. They're part of the expansion pack, and put one on each side. Then find the two shortest screws. They should have little rubber O-rings on them. If they don't have them, find them and put them on. They are very important for assembly because they allow the tools to move after the screws are tightened down. So we're going to start on this side, and the first tool to go on is the traveler hook. On top of that is a knife tool. Then we're going to put a washer, and that's followed by the four of the warded picks. Each one should be separated by one of these little spacers. On top of these tools are two of the jigglers. Again, they are separated by spacers. And we're going to cap this off with another spacer. Okay, let's move to the other side. We're going to start with a spacer because that's right across from the traveler hook. Then we're going to get our notch decoder and our utility shim and put them on together. They're followed by a spacer and the four combs, each separated by a spacer. Okay, now a spacer, and then our fifth warded pick. Another spacer, and our last jiggler. And one more spacer. And I think the one on this side fell off, so let's put that back on. Okay, now let's get our two hooks. And put them on the other side. Our two rakes. I'm going to put them on as well. All of these pieces can be pushed out of the way. Then let's flip this over and close the handle up. Going to just start that screw with my fingernail. And after I get it started, we can use a screwdriver to tighten it down. Okay, if we did that right with a little bit of shuffling, they should all fit inside of each other. Perfect. Okay, now that we have that assembled, we're going to try it out and open this master lock in a couple different ways. We're going to start the hardest possible way by single pin picking it with our short hook. And I'm going to hold it with a little bit of a pistol grip like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 is binding. Click there, pulling back. I think that was a click out of 2. Nothing on 1. Click out of 3. Click out of 1, and we got this open. Okay, that was the hardest way. Let's get one of our rakes out and try it a way that's a little bit easier. Again, I'm using the same pistol grip. That was pretty quick. Let's try that again. Make sure that wasn't a fluke. Nope, that's just really easy to rake. And the final way to open this, which should be the easiest, is using a comb pick. Because this is a Master 141, everyone I've ever run across has been susceptible to combing. Okay, folks, this is a really versatile tool, and I want you to know that we actually have more inserts planned for it in the near future, probably in the first half of 2021. But that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.